Welcome YouTube.
My name is Anthony. I'm the owner of Cornerstone Barbecue restaurant and YouTube channel. My wife is Angelica. Today's video we will be working with cast iron pans. I got these cast iron pans a long time ago. These cast iron pans were bought in San Bernardino. This one cost me like about $9, and I got this other one over here for about the same price. So two cast iron pans for under $20. I think there was like a 50% sale on there too, so I might have gotten them for way cheaper. I can't really remember at this moment. We're gonna bring these back into restoration. We're gonna possibly cook some steaks on it later on today. A few things that you're gonna need when you're trying to restore your cast iron pan: steel wool, another bit of steel wool, white wine vinegar, and canola oil. First thing you want to do is soak these for about 30 minutes up to an hour, depending on how much rust you have on your cast iron. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put like about a cup of white wine vinegar and the rest water. So we're gonna try with a cup. If it needs more, then we'll just add more. I'm using warm water, so we're gonna fill up my sink with warm water and add a cup of white wine vinegar. Alright, I found this little mason jar. I couldn't find my measuring cup thing. It's probably gonna be at the restaurant because we have everything at the restaurant. I have basically nothing here at home, but we got everything at the restaurant. We're filling up our sink with warm water. I'm gonna fill this up to 2 cups. We're gonna go with 2 cups. 3 cups. White wine vinegar. We're gonna let our cast iron soak. You want your oven at the highest it could possibly go. Some ovens go to 450, some go to 500. Mine actually goes to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's where we're gonna put our oven at. The reason you want your oven to the hottest that it wants, so you're gonna bring the canola oil to its burning point, so it's actually gonna solidify. It's gonna blend into the cast iron pot. Because if you end up leaving like oily and it's not actually fully going into the cast iron pan, it could actually turn the oil to going bad, and then whenever you cook on it, it's not gonna be a nice sign. We're gonna hit it with the canola oil for about 2 times. We're gonna oil it up. That's what we're doing, guys. Cast iron pan. Now, if you can see, I still got a little bit of rust right in this area. Barely see it, it's just a little bit there. We're gonna try to put a little more. It's still warm I have. What is it gonna try to do? You're adding water to this metal. It's gonna wanna continue to rust again. So, to dry it, we're gonna put it on our stove top to get it fully dry. Once it's fully dry, then we start applying the oil to it to fully dry this back. This guy here. I'm cooking steaks tonight, so we gotta hurry up this process. Oil is gonna help us create a non-stick surface. So the more times that you oil it, the more times that you season and properly season, the better your cast iron is gonna be. So you're gonna add a good ample amount of oil. Don't skimp out on the oil. You want good amount of oil in here. And again, we're doing everything. A good seasoned cast iron pan is gonna last you a lifetime and it's gonna make you some of the best steaks that you've ever had. So we get every little inch of it, bottom, top, the rims. There's a good amount of oil there, so now, but then you gotta wipe it off. And we're gonna repeat the process we're gonna repeat it at least twice. So put in the oven around for about 30 minutes or something. We're gonna repeat the process, add more oil until we get nice seasoned pans that I want. She's ready. We're gonna go straight into our oven, and you're gonna put this facing down, right? Facing down. We're gonna leave it in there for 30 minutes and then redo the process. The cast iron is in the oven, and we're gonna leave it there for about 30 minutes. Once I take it out, I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit, redo the canola oil. We're gonna repeat the process twice. Once that is done, then your cast iron should be perfect. Alright, so just finished off cleaning and oiling my second cast iron pan. Remember, this thing was fully rusted. Look at it now. Wipe it down one more time with a paper towel and remove. You don't want too much oil where it's just dripping everywhere. You want it fully covered, but you don't. Once you're gonna put it into the oven, you don't want it just dripping everywhere. You want to make sure that it is just lightly coated afterwards. Okay. So get it everywhere. Don't miss a crevice. Get it anywhere that you could possibly get it at. Put the oil on there. Throw it in the oven. 30 minutes. Take it back out. If it doesn't need it, then you don't do it again. If it needs it, then add another coat. Add a third coat. The more coats that you add, the more non-stick it becomes. So it's better for you to try to get it well seasoned, and then every time that you use it, then re-season. That's the best practice. Okay. So in a little bit, I'll show you guys the finished product, and here we go. So as you can see here, now we are actually done seasoning our cast iron. No rust, looking beautiful, shining. And that will conclude the video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything that you think that I could have done better, just to get my cast iron into a better state, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you again for watching our show. We hope to continue to upload videos as soon as we can, maybe at least one time a week. We're gonna try to be more consistent with our videos. Next video that we're gonna do is probably cooking some steaks on this cast iron pan. Thank you once again for watching. We appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, hit a like, share. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Peace.